Divorce is something which cannot be granted the moment you ask. Okay, for that particular thing, you are supposed to show the reason behind asking or taking a divorce. The court will then look into the grounds that you are placing, and if he is satisfied with that, then only the divorce is granted. So hello guys, welcome to my channel The Law Cognition. Today in this video we'll see Muslims women's grounds for divorce under Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act. So without wasting time, let's get started. The woman under Muslim law can obtain a decree of divorce under following grounds. So if the certain grounds are fulfilled, or if any one of such grounds are being fulfilled, then the Muslim woman is entitled to go ahead asking for a divorce. So the first one is the whereabouts of husband is not known for a period of 4 years. This simply means that the husband is missing, or he is out of the reach of a person for a minimum period of 4 years. If the moment the 4 year is over, the woman is entitled to divorce and she may go to the court and could seek divorce. The second one is when husband is neglected and failed to provide maintenance for a period of 2 years. Now this is about those situations where the husband is neglecting, or he is unable to pay the maintenance for a continuous period of 2 years. The period has to be in continuation for 2 years. It cannot be such that 1 year he didn't pay, then the other year he came up paying, and the next year he didn't came up paying. Okay, so the days is not counted. It's the continuous 2 years. If he is neglecting, or if he had failed in paying, then in that case the woman is entitled to go ahead seeking divorce. Now, if we move ahead with the third ground, then that is when the husband has been sentenced to imprisonment for 7 years and above. So, it is about those situations where the husband has committed such kind of offense where he had been penalized with the offense, and he is punished for a minimum of 7 years or above. Then in that case women has the option, and this becomes the ground for divorce, and she could go to the court for seeking divorce, putting this ground as a matter. The fourth point, if we see, could be when the husband is failed to perform his marital obligation for 3 years. So whatever is the marital obligations, if the husband is failing or he is unable to perform such kind of obligations that are there in the marital life for a continuous period of 3 years, then in that case also women have the option, and it becomes the ground. So she could go ahead and seek divorce. The other point is insanity of husband for 2 years, or the husband is suffering from virulent venereal disease. So in this case, what is the situation where husband has gone mad, or he is incapable of thinking, he had lost his mental capacity. Okay, he is insane for a period of 2 years. So after 2 years the woman had the option of seeking divorce. The other point is the women having been given in marriage by her father or guardian before she attained the age of 15 years. Okay, and now in that case, if we see, now it had been 18 years since the majority age had been changed. So in this case, what is happening is, in short, it says that if the women had been married at the time she was minor, then in that case this becomes the ground for divorce, and she could go ahead with that. The next ground could be cruelty. That means the husband is cruel to women or a wife, or he beats him or something kind of that behavior. Cruelty grounds are also there. So if any such grounds of cruelty are being fulfilled, then that particular act would be considered and would fall under cruelty, and cruelty is even one of the grounds for divorce. So these are certain grounds that are provided. Even if there is any particular provision that provide with any such other grounds, then that is even acceptable. So these are certain grounds where there cannot be any further question raised, or there is anything that is to be checked. If these grounds are being fulfilled, divorce can be granted very easily, and this could be fulfilled. Okay, so I hope I had made my point very clear to you. Please do like my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.